In this tutorial, we're going to set up the animation on the view, the basic animation, and set up the camera. In the inspector, there's the Properties pane and the Camera pane. The first we're going to look at is Properties. We're going to reset it. Now we're back in the 0, 0 position first, which will give us a good place to start from. Now we'll look at Camera and look at some of the exciting options we've got here to change how the image looks. Now let's have a look at how deep the image is. If we set the far plane to be 3000 pixels instead of the 10,000 we had, then we'll hide a lot of the word cloud's text. This gives us something to reveal, something to look forward to as we move through the text. With far plane at 3000 pixels, we'll set the far fade to be just 1000, and that means that a third of our view space is going to be falling off. It's going to be going from 100% opaque to 0% opaque. This will help to sell the illusion of depth. Now this is an additional thing to depth of field. When things get blurrier in the distance, or indeed too close to the camera, it's a cheap and cheerful way to sell the effect of depth, but I think we'll find it really helps. We're going to also set up some animation on the word cloud. Why not move the camera? Well, in the next step we'll be using a framing behavior to move the camera. It helps if we can get the objects moving towards us and we're leaving the framing behavior alone to simply move in X and Y. So to do this, we'll go to the Properties, head for Position, expand it out, look for Z, so we can move the word cloud in Z. We'll right-click on Z, and we'll choose Add Parameter Behavior, then Ramp. Ramp pushes a value up in a linear way. At the moment, it's going to move throughout the whole length of time because the behavior exists from the beginning to end. So we'll go with that for the moment. How far do we want it to move? Let's go with 3000 pixels for the end value. So as we drag the playhead backwards and forwards, we'll see that yes, it's moving, and the far fade is bringing things in as they go forward. This is without the camera moving. It's quite a useful thing, and it's a long way to get to the flying text we're looking for. So quick recap, we've added the parameter behavior ramp to change the Z position over time on our word cloud.